It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the 42nd anniversary celebration of the Department of Science and Technology Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. Covering several areas of cooperation, this partnership also entails capacity building activities and programs for Filipino researchers.
Leonardo da Vinci said, "Know who begins but who perseveres." And I can tell you that we persevere.
At this time, the commitment of DOST-PCHRD to drive innovation for health stood out, along with its strong thrust for building partnerships to achieve its goals. I believe these are strengths that have enabled the Council to achieve significant breakthroughs over the years. I am certain that indeed, with the allies you have made, we will forge a bright future as we continue to provide scientific solutions and open opportunities for a healthier Filipino nation.
Whether it be collaborations between our fellow government agencies, academic institutions, industry partners, or civil society organizations, it is through these dynamic partnerships that we have been able to leverage resources, expertise, and networks to achieve our shared goals.
I hope that we continue to foster this nurturing environment and thrust for partnerships not only in health but across all our S&T efforts.
To all our partners, the people who work behind our successes, we thank you for your continuing support and dedication to the field. To the Filipino people, it is our commitment and privilege to serve you.